Hi guys, welcome back to Colet's Corner. My name is Colette and a minivan was in the shop because she had transmission issues, y'all. So that's like a load off, and I'm thankful to the hubby because that was a big bill. That transmission was a huge bill. That's like a whole $2,500 to rebuild the transmission or put a new one in, or a rebuilt one, that is. Sorry. So I have a year warranty on it because let me tell y'all something. I'm not about the new when it comes to vehicles. I'm a rough handle driver. I like to handle my vehicles. I love trucks. I love minivans. I am just that type of gal, okay? Maybe I should have been a boy. Who knows? Anyway, and there's certain fancy cars that I like, but I'm not fussy when it comes to cars, for reals. As long as it gets me where I'm going and it doesn't conk out on me on the road, we're good to go. I will drive anything you throw at me, even a truck. So anyway, needless to say, that was on the brain. I tried not to let it bother me, but yes, it did bother me because that's my vehicle. I have no car payments, y'all. I have no car payments for years now. And all I do is pay my insurance and do maintenance, and I'm good to go. So needless to say, I'm happy. So I got the car back, and that's just gonna lead into this. I got the car back, my minivan, and I'm gonna clean up the inside because inside smells like smoke. I don't smoke. But anyway, it needs a thorough wiping down on the inside, reorganize. Oh, that's what I forgot, the organizing bin. I may have to go back to Ross. Anywho, speaking of Ross, so I went into Ross looking for, I did not know I would find this in there. This is the pink stuff. I recently ordered the jar version and the spray version from Amazon. Love, love, love it. It is vegan, a vegan formula. I don't know what make it vegan, but that's what the people them say. It says right there, vegan. And what I like about it, it's really good on grease and grime and whatever you clean it with. I've used it to clean the kitchen, the bathroom, everywhere. So I'm almost out of one bottle already. Use it to clean the shower and all. Works very, very good. So I saw it in Ross and I grabbed one. And I picked up some reusable towels and such. I picked up a steering wheel cover that I like. And a bunch of other stuff for the car. I left them in the car because as soon as the sun goes down a little bit, I'm gonna go out there and fix up the car. But I found these while I was in there. So let me share with you what I got in Ross that I didn't go for. Lord help me. Let's get rid of the plastic bag. Now, I like little bags, crossbodies that you can organize. This is the Multi Sac handbag, and it says function you need, value you want, styling you love. This retails for $50. I got this. This is also a washable bag. I got it for $11.99. Hello, Ross. So let's go through the bag. You know how when you get stuff at Ross, you got a lot of tape and different things. All right. So this is all, it feels like nylon, but it's nice. It feels nice. You have silver hardware here, that lovely coral color. It's just really summery and spring. But for me, living in Florida, I can wear this all year round, y'all. So let's go through this. First things first, we have a zipper pull on top. So it closes via that zipper pull. That's how you close your bag. In front, you have a really big, deep slip pocket. Look at that. It's deep. there, if you can tell. And then on the back side over here, there is a small pocket. I cannot put my phone, give you my phone, if my phone would, I think my phone will go down in there and maybe the top will be up a little bit possibly, but you can see it's deep and my hand fits in it. So let me pull up my hand, see? There. So I'm thinking this will hold my phone very well. There is a zippered front pocket, and as you can see, it's quite roomy. And again, nice depth. Let me show you the back pocket, because see, that's also very roomy, right? Now let's go on the inside of the bag. I probably shouldn't do that, but sorry, I did it already. Let's pull the stuffing out. And the bag itself is roomy on the inside, and as you can see, this is toward the front wall of the bag. That's the front. You have two large slip pockets in there. And on the back wall, there is a zip pocket. Very smooth as well, deep. Look at that. So it has the organizational features that I like to organize the bag. And of course, it's lightweight. So if you can't tell, I have a lot of big bags in my collection. I should probably do a handbag video for you guys to show you the bags I have in my collection currently, but because I did get rid of a few of them, but I do still have a lot of bags. And of course, your strap is adjustable, so you can shorten this and make it into, okay, one person said on one of my videos, I don't know if she's going to be watching this or he, whomever it is, will be watching this video, but let me just do this for your purpose, for your thought process. She said, or he said, that I could do a little wear of the bag. So let me stand up, move my chair out the way. All right, so here, so you can, it totally matches with what I'm wearing. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like on me. So you can make it a shoulder bag this way, or we can make it into a crossbody. So I could see me taking this even on vacation. Look at that. It wears really nicely, and I'm short, as you guys could possibly tell, probably tell. Let me take off my regular shoes and show you. So you see, I am short. So that's how far out here I have to go for you to see the bag. Look at that. So it sits right there. Okay? So for those of you who want to see me show the bag like that, that's what the bag would look like as a crossbody. And that's that. So let me grab my chair. All right. So that's this one. And again, it is a Multi Sac handbag. It says, "Wash me to protect you." There. And as I said, I paid $11 and change, $11.99, $12 rounded off. And it has a name. It's called Petal Pusher, and it's a nylon Lennox crossbody. So here is the information. Multi Sac. It's a petal pusher, and it's a nylon crossbody. All right, nylon Lennox crossbody. Let's get that right, Colet. All right, so that's I saw that when I walked in the store and I fell in love instantaneously. All right, so the second bag I grabbed is a leather bag, and I don't know if y'all like Stone Mountain, but this, my lovelies, is a leather. I used to have a Stone Mountain wallet, but I gave it away. Leather Stone Mountain. stonemountainhandbags.com. That's their website. And let me tell you the name of this bag. It's a printed floral Mandy tote. Here. It's a printed floral Mandy tote. It retails for $169. Okay. I got the bag for here's why I didn't walk away and leave this medium-sized tote bag. $18.99. Close. So here's why I didn't walk away from the bag. $18.99 was Ross price. Yes. So let's go through the bag really quickly. Down front, there is a pocket. Of course, I would stick my phone in that outer pocket. Similar to the Petal Pusher bag, it has a zipper pocket right there, and you can see my big old hand fitting in there, and it's deep. On the back side of the bag, on the back, it is zippered. Another zipper compartment right here. And inside, let's take out her stuffing. Oh, she comes with a scarf. It's the first bag I've gotten with a scarf. Well, I'm gonna have to watch you guys' videos to see how to put this on the bag, because it's all like opened up, like you can see, and looking all crinkly and stuff. But I'm not that fancy, y'all. I'm not that fancy. I've never had a bag with a ribbon on it, to be honest, because I'm not that girly. Okay, on the inside of the bag, she has some depth to her, and there's a very big slip pocket here and a smaller size slip pocket adjacent to it. And yeah, so there are two slip pockets there. There's a zippered compartment on the back here. So that's a zippered compartment. So the bag is quite roomy, y'all. I like a roomy bag, but I like them to be not too big and not heavy. All right, the handles, they are easy. See, they just flap down like that very nicely, and it's silver toned hardware, and the bag looks like that. So here, let's do a little model thing for y'all. Oh, so here's the bag. So I'm gonna stick this in here for now. Just shove that in there. So this is how the bag looks, and it's a medium tote, but I like totes that have organization in it. So that's it. It doesn't have feet on the bottom, it's just soft leather on there. See that? It's just the leather. And fix my clothes because I'm looking raggedy. Okay, so there. I really like, so it just falls right on my hip right here, so it's not too long, and yeah, that's it. That's how she looks. And if I hold her like this, because I like to hold my bags like this when I carry a tote, it's just a habit, nothing to it. This is usually how I carry a tote bag. So that's how she would look while I'm wearing her. And of course, if I choose to carry that thing on there, I guess whatever, but I'm not fussy like that. And that's the back of the bag. Okay, that's her. That's the back side. And that's how she looks. Okay. All right, so that's it. That's what I got. And I'm gonna see if I like having this on here. I'm gonna try to position it on the bag. If not, I'll just take it off, because For me, it's not necessary. I'd rather get a charm and hang a charm on there versus carrying a scarf on the bag, because I'm not girly like that. I'm not that kind of gal. But it's a nice little bag thingy. But I guess the gray is supposed to tie in with the grays in the bag. Whatever. For me, it could have been without it. I don't care. Anyway, all right, so this again is the, what's your name? The printed floral Mandy tote, and this one is the black floral. All right, so it has a black base and then the floral print. I really like the floral print, y'all. So yeah, this is the Mandy tote, black floral. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Thank you guys ever so much for watching. Welcome to all the new subscribers. To my older subscribers, thank you so much for staying with me and for the love and support. I really appreciate it. And guess what? YouTube has now opened the community tab for me, a section for me to interact with you guys. So yay! I'm happy, I'm thankful. All right, so enough love, you guys, and I'm going to clean up my mess that I just made here, because my dining table is having all kind of stuff and I'm just like freaking me out. Yeah, that part. So yeah, all right, talk to you guys later in the comment section or on the community tab, and I hope you all stay safe, be well, take care of yourself and your family, and until the next video, walk good. Bye-bye.